Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Miss Lockett, the founder and CEO of Teacher Fashion on Lockett. And guys, tonight you are in for a special treat. But before I let you guys know what this video is about, I need you to do your girl a favor. I need you guys to click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell for more amazing videos. Alright, now that we got that out the way, let's get on to what this video is about. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and jump on into this video because I don't expect this video to be long. But anywho, y'all, this is a special video because it's something that I need to announce to you guys that I haven't really just shared with my YouTube family, my social media family, but people that really know me, my family and friends, they already know this news. So I know you guys have seen that I have been missing from YouTube, but don't worry, I'm coming back. I'm gonna stick to my YouTube channel. I love doing my videos. I love engaging and interacting with you guys. So Teacher Fashion on Lockett ain't going nowhere, okay? But yeah, I have been like hell of busy. So, like I was saying, I was a kindergarten teacher. Keyword was. But I need to let you guys know that I have left the classroom. And I did. And I have a new role. And I am one of the assistant principals at my school. So, yes, I have a new role. And I am super duper excited about my new role. So I have been hella busy. I have been working hard, prepping and preparing for this new role. And I'm just super excited because I know that it is what God has for me. And yeah, I'm just so excited about it. So your girl got a new role, new position. So anywho, if you want to know more about that, I probably will be doing a video on that soon, or more videos where you guys can get to see me in my new role. Maybe I'll share a day in the life of Miss Lockett as being AD. Who know? But anywho, y'all, this video is an unboxing, like I told you guys earlier, and I'm super excited about this unboxing because this particular unboxing is my team of teachers. Shout out to my team of teachers. Not teachers, let me say educators, because it's not only teachers on my band, but my team of educators. I have their first day of school gift that I am going to give them, and y'all, the first day of school is tomorrow. Yes, August 3rd. That is so early.
No. She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
So yeah, I'm going to do an unboxing to show you guys what I got my team of educators. And I hope that they like it. I poured my pockets. I poured my heart into this gift because truly, God honest truth, every single person on my band, I absolutely love them. Like, our relationship is already like this. So I just feel so blessed, so honored to be the leader of these particular individuals. Like, yeah, they are amazing. They're awesome. Some of the most awesome educators here in the world. Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna do an unboxing. I already took it out the big box, and when I took it out the big box, because the box was huge, I'm gonna show you guys if I can. Everything, oh Lord, everything is in here. So disclaimer, y'all, I went ham for my band. You hear me? I went out the box. Teacher Fashion on Lockett, my fashion on Lockett, so my team fashion have to be on Lockett, and I have to make sure they have all the supplies they need. What kind of leader would I be if they didn't have all the supplies that they need? But anywho, y'all, we're gonna do this unboxing, and how it's gonna go, I'm not going to show you guys individually every one of their pieces. I also got myself the same pieces. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you what I have, and then I'll open mine up so you can see mine, and they have every single thing that I have. I do want to stop right quick, give a plug, shout out to EB Creations. Thank you, Erica, my friend from Atlanta, that made this order possible. I'm just so blessed. I'm just so blessed to have awesome friends. So thank you for doing this big old huge order for me. And yeah, let's get on. Y'all saw the bag. It's huge. I'm just gonna leave it right here on the side of me, and I'm about to show you guys everything that they got. All right, I'm unzipping it. So first up, everything that they got, they each have a shirt. Oh, I got a note in here. I'm gonna read that note too. They have a shirt. These are their shirts. Like I said, it's 10 educators on my band, so it's 10 shirts. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to open mine up so you guys can see it. Alright, so here go all the shirts. Shirts. And here is mine. So I'm going to open it up. I love the shirt. I love how it's packed. She packed it so nice. She has the instructions in there on how to wash and maintain it. And then I love that she has today's prayer in there. We're going to need that for the first day of school. So thank you, girl. Alright, let's open this up. Here goes the shirt. You're not going to see every single person's shirt, but I'm going to open mine up because they all have the same shirt. So guys, these are our shirts. On our shirts, it has our name. And then if you like the dean or assistant principal, music teacher, I have a speech therapist. So each of ours, we have our titles on ours. But every teacher have their names on theirs. So these are our shirts. Love this. My scripture, I'm going to go ahead and read it for y'all. It says, be strong and courageous. Do not be terrified. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. Joshua 1:9. That was so perfect. I needed to hear that. Yes. I can't wait to put this up on my wall tomorrow. Alright guys, those were the t-shirts. We're going to move on to the next thing in this bag. So the next thing that we have in this bag is some little goodie bags that look like this. Erica, these are beautiful. Okay, my 10 bags for my people. Alright, now let's find my bag so you guys can see what each of my educators have in their bag. So hold on. Alright guys, so I found my bag. And I'm going to show you what each of my teachers have in their bag because I have the same thing. Alright, so in the goodie bag, everyone is getting a badge reel. Super cool. So we can put our ID, our card to get into school. These are super cute. It's a pencil. And it got your title on it. Got their title on it. It got their names on it, I guess I should say. After the reel, it has a cute little box. Y'all see that box? It's so cute. And in the inside of the box, y'all, it's a pen. Alright, so I finally got in it. And guys, this is the pen. It's notebook paper. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Oh, super cute. I absolutely love it. You know, we got to be fashion. They got to be on lock with the fashion. But I also supplied them with school supplies in a different way. So y'all see there. Oh, where is it? Here's their pencil. Here's their pen that look like paper. Let's see what else they have. Oh, it has the little badge cover. Yay, that's awesome. And then y'all look, they have a composition book coaster. You're gonna see what this coaster is for in a minute. So super cute, and it has their name on there. Absolutely love it. All right, now that you guys seen that bag, time to move on to the next thing. All right, so the next thing that I have, I'm actually going to show you. I don't have to show my particular one. I'm just show the first one that I have. If you look, each of my teachers, these are their tote bags. Yes, come on, fashion. Teacher fashions, my teachers. So these are their tote bags, and they each have a tote bag. This is what I'm going to put all their stuff in. And I'm just show you the first tote bag on top. This is Miss Paula's tote bag. So this is the tote bag, and as you can see, it matches our shirts that we have. So yes. Love it, love it, love it. Gonna put everything in here and give it to them on tomorrow. So that's our tote bags. All right, the next thing that I have, and it's also the last thing that I have that I'm giving my teachers. Y'all can't really see it, but it's hella boxes that look like these. Hella boxes, hella boxes. So yeah, they're gonna go for days. I told y'all I have 10 educators, so I'm gonna put these back, and then I'm gonna just find mine and open mine, which is right here. Let's open it. Let's open it. Oh, before I cut it, I should have showed y'all her logo. Let me get somebody else's. EB Creations, y'all find my girl. I'm gonna put her stuff in the description. I love your logo. All right, so here it is. This is their last item that I got them. Ooh. Yes, I got them a tumbler. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Got them a nice little personalized cup, and on their cup it has their name on there. And as you guys can see, these are their crayons. So each thing had a school item thing to it. So they got a composition notebook for their coasters, crayons for their cups, pencils for their rails, then they have paper for their pens, and then they have their shirt and their bag. Am I missing anything? But yeah, these are my teacher's first day of school gifts that I'm getting them. They're gonna be so shocked. I can see their faces now, and hopefully they'll be a nerd with me and wear the shirts on Friday. So yeah, that's everything that I'm giving my teachers as a first day of school gift. Yay! I hope that they like it. And then I have these little cards. I love personalized things, and even though I'm not in the classroom this year, I'm still gonna do my little teacher things. So I have these little cards, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold them up, and I'm going to write each of them a first day of school message in them. Now what I might do, I might put the message out before I give them the bags. I'm going to try to like put the bags to the side so they don't really know. And then the last minute of our morning meeting, I give them their gift. All right, so before I conclude this video, there was a note that was on top that I did not read because I guess I was super excited about getting to the gifts. So I'm going to take the time to read the note. And then guess what, y'all? She said she got me a surprise. So I'm going to do a little unboxing of this, and then that's going to be the end of the video. So let's read her note. All right, the note says, "Thank you so much for your order. It means the world to me. I really enjoyed making these items. Crafting has really turned into an escape for me, and I love every minute of it. Also, thank you for the influence that you leave on kids as well as adults. You come across. Oh, wait a minute. Thank you for the influence that you leave on kids as well as adults you come across. I'm moved. She said, I'm moved to know so you can keep an eye on Alex. Keep up the good work, E." Thank you, boo. Girl, move on down here so I can teach your daughter. And she started kindergarten this year. Congratulations, baby. She gets so big. Thank you so much, Erica. I really, really, really do appreciate this big order that you did for me. So thank you so much. And I know that my teachers thank you as well. So thank you. All right. So lastly, let's move to this surprise order. I do not know what's in this bag. She told me to check out this polka dot bag in the inside because it was a surprise for me. So let's see what it is. Y'all know I love surprises now. I hope it don't make me tear up. Let's see what it is. Let's see. Okay, what is this? All right, so it's a bag. Oh, I absolutely love these. Glad to know that you have these because I might get my teachers some of these made. I love these. And let's see what is in here. School supplies, and I need them. These what are these, staplers? I hope so. Staples, and y'all, staple remover. Thank you. Need this. Need this. I got 2 of them. Thank you, boo. Love, love, love. All right, and I think it's one more item in here. I kind of know what this is. I feel it. Oh, logo. EB Creations, find my girl. Yes. I know what this is, y'all. Y'all know I can feel this is a stapler. I can tell you that. Let's see. This is a stapler. What? A stapler. What? A stapler. Oh, a stapler. No, Erica, no. Y'all, she made me a personalized stapler that looks like notebook paper. Absolutely love it. Thank you, Erica. Now, I got a distinct stapler, so can't nobody take my stapler. Yes, this AP is going to be... Oh, I'm going to be ready and prepared, just like my team. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it. Yeah, thank you. Thumbnail. Alright guys, so that concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing of my teacher's first day of school gift from me. And again, I absolutely love them. I'm super excited about this school year. If there's any teachers out there, I hope you guys have an awesome school year. If it's any parents watching, I hope your kids have an awesome, safe school year. And yeah, y'all, we're going to get through this year. I feel it. This is going to be an awesome school year. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. And yeah, Miss Lockett will see you guys in the next video. And yeah, that's it. I'm not going to let this roll stop me. So be looking out for some new videos. All right, y'all. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Pray for me. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Teacher Fashion on Lock_ETC.